Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to stop the pop-up notifications in Windows 11. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to use the Settings app. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the Settings icon, and then in here make sure to click on System on the left pane, and afterwards on the right side locate Notifications and click on this category. Now in this window make sure to scroll down, way down until you find these three options, and the last thing you have to do is simply to untick the boxes next to each option. Now you can just close this window and then restart your computer for the changes to take place. Moving on, another useful solution is to simply turn off all the notifications. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the Settings icon, and then in here make sure to click on System on the left pane, and again on the right side select Notifications as a category. From here on, the solution is quite simple. All you have to do is toggle this button to off in the notifications section. Now you'll make sure that you'll get no notifications from any of the following apps in here. More than that, if you click on the notifications section, you can also fiddle with these three other options, which will further customize your notifications settings. Another useful solution would be also to deactivate notifications for individual apps. As you can see in this list, you have plenty of apps that use notifications. So what you can do if you want to stop certain notifications from popping up, you can just choose an individual app and then turn the toggle to off. Now for this certain app you won't get notifications anymore. You can then close this window, restart your computer for the changes to take place. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it?
As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.